Relationships need your time and love, and you need to take care of them. If you want to know how to make him love you for the rest of his life, you've come to the right place. A woman cannot control how a man feels about her, but she can get his attention and let him know how important he is. In this video, we'll show you some interesting and effective ways to make the guy you like fall in love with you. If you have feelings for him and he doesn't seem to feel the same, don't give up. Learn about some of these easy ways. Number 1. Dress confidently. Take pride in getting dressed up and act like a queen. A clean, neat outfit shows that you are respectful and sure of your style. You can wear something that says something about who you are. When you are relaxed and sure of yourself, you can talk to people in a healthy way without being shy. Number 2. Be confident in the bedroom. Physical intimacy is an important part of a relationship, and being confident in the bedroom can be a huge turn-on for men. Don't be afraid to take the lead or try new things, and communicate openly with him about what you both like and don't like. Being confident and comfortable with your sexuality can make a man fall even more in love with you. Number 3. Build emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is just as important as physical intimacy in a relationship. Take the time to really get to know him on a deeper level. Share your own vulnerabilities and fears, and create a safe space where you can both be open and honest with each other. Building emotional intimacy will make him feel more connected and deepen your bond. Number 4. Make him laugh. Who wouldn't want to hang out with a person who makes them laugh? People really like a girl who can make them laugh. If you can make him laugh, you've already done half the job. You could make a joke or laugh at how funny he is to get things going. Number 5. Stand up for him. A guy feels bad about himself when everyone laughs at him. Now is the time for you to stand up for him. Tell him, either in private or in public, that you like and care about him. Number 6. Smell good. Try out the best perfume that fits your style and personality. It will make sure that every time you walk by him, he can smell you. He might like the way you smell and will know when you are nearby. Number 7. Show interest in the things he likes to do. Everyone has their own interests and hobbies that they like to do and that make them happy. Find out what he's interested in and let him tell you how he wants to get there. He might like how well you listen, which could be the start of a good relationship. Number 8. Show off your personal style. Every girl has a unique sense of style. The way you dress should be both elegant and bold. Don't fake it or act like a model to get his attention. Share your thoughts to show who you are, and he'll be glad to see you. Number 9. Make an effort to be his friend. Everything starts with their friendship. When he needs you the most, be there for him. Spend time with him and tell him you are there for him. Focus on being a good friend instead of trying to make him like you. You can leave an impression on his heart this way. Number 10. Be yourself. Be honest and real. Don't worry too much about how you look on social media. Just be yourself and he'll like you how you do things. 11. Talk about your interest in life. Tell the guy you like what you think, what you like, and what you are interested in. Tell him how much you love to travel and what your favorite part is. Talk about your life goals and what's important to you. Show him how passionate you are about so many things in life. This is something that a guy will find impressive. 12. Show your sense of humor. No one wants to always be serious, so don't be afraid to talk about your crazy ideas. Even if you are not good at it, dance and sing. You never know if your weird habits will make your crush like you more. 13. Stay in shape. You don't have to be a perfect body to impress your guy, but remember that staying fit means staying healthy. It also shows how hard you can work and how disciplined you can be, which can be a good thing about you. 14. Be independent. Independence is one of the best qualities a person can have. When you don't depend on other people and stand up for what you believe in, he can admire you and fall in love with you. 15. Make his life more positive. Instead of thinking about what's wrong, you should try to find a way to fix it. Also, be nice and don't talk about other people. Be a happy person and your aura will attract him. 16. Make him feel needed. Making your guy feel needed may increase his love for you. You can make him feel needed and important by asking him to help you with something or by asking for his advice. 17. Give him some room to breathe. Once he feels like he is needed, give him enough space to say what he thinks and feels. He can be more open to you when you give him space. Nobody wants to be a clingy girlfriend. 18. Surprise him. Even men like to have surprises at times. Keep track of what he likes and occasionally surprise him by bringing him his favorite food or taking him to a movie starring his favorite actor. 19. Just let him be who he is. Don't try to change what kind of person he is. When you let him be himself, he will talk to you right away, and soon he might be a little bit closer to you. 20. Be honest. Be clear and tell the truth about how you feel. If it has been a while, you can be honest about how you feel. If you tell a man that you want a serious relationship, he might get it and feel the same way. Remember to be kind and not judge while you are being honest. 21. Show him that you respect him. Respect is an important aspect of any healthy relationship. Show your guy that you respect him by listening to him when he talks and by valuing his opinions. Don't criticize or belittle him, and be supportive of his goals and aspirations. 22. Be patient. Love takes time and patience. Don't rush things or try to force him to fall in love with you. Take your time and let things develop naturally. Focus on building a strong foundation of friendship and trust, and the love will follow. 23. Support his dreams and goals. Listen to him when he talks about his dreams and aspirations, and encourage him to pursue them. Show him that you believe in him and that you are there to support him every step of the way. This will not only make him feel appreciated, but also show him that you are a team player and someone he can rely on. 24. Be spontaneous. Surprise him with unexpected gestures of love and affection. Plan a spontaneous date night, buy him a thoughtful gift, or leave him a sweet note to brighten his day. Being spontaneous keeps the relationship exciting and fresh and shows him that you are willing to put in effort to make him happy. 25. Show your nurturing side. Men like to be taken care of too. So show your nurturing side by cooking him his favorite meal, giving him a massage after a long day, or just simply being there to listen when he needs to vent. This will make him feel loved and appreciated, and show him that you are a caring and a compassionate partner. In conclusion, making a man fall in love with you requires effort, patience, and a willingness to be yourself. By following these 25 easy ways, you can increase your chances of capturing his heart and building a strong, lasting relationship. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process, and most importantly, never compromise your values or integrity for anyone.